Learning Theories. Monthly Newsletter of Bakersfield Gossip Center. October 2020, Volume 5. Future Stories this month. Information Processing Theory, page 1. The Theory of Multiple Intelligence, page 3. Information Processing Theory, written by Sandra Esquivias. Information processing theory is a cognitive theory that focuses on how information is processed into our memory. The theory explains how our brain processes information from what we're paying attention in our present moment to what gets stored in our short-term memory and ultimately into our long-term memory. Cognitive psychology sees the individual as the processor of information, the same way that a computer processes information and follows a program to produce an output. When cognitive psychologists compare a computer to how the human mind processes information, it is known as the computer analogy. The purpose of information processing theory is that creating a long-term memory is something that happens in stages. First, we perceive something through our sensory memory, which is everything that we can see, hear, feel, or taste in a given moment, which are our 5 senses. Our short-term memory is what we use to remember things for very short periods, like a phone number, and a long-term memory is stored permanently in our brains. The information processing system. The brain is known as limited capacity information processing system, through which external input is transmitted. Information processing models consist of a series of stages, or boxes, which represent stages of processing. I added a box, the series of the 3 boxes. The first box is input processes, which are concerned with the analysis of the stimuli. Box number 2, storage processing, which cover everything that happens to stimuli internally in the brain and can include coding and manipulation of the stimuli. Box number 3, output processes are responsible for preparing an appropriate response to a stimulus. The Theory of Multiple Intelligence, written by Sandra Esquivias. The theory of multiple intelligence refers to a theory describing the different ways students learn and acquire information. These multiple intelligence range from the use of words, numbers, pictures, and music, to the importance of social interaction, introspection, physical movement, and being tuned with nature. There are a series of 8 intelligences. The first intelligence is linguistic, which is word smart. Logical mathematical, which is number smart. Spatial, which is picture smart. Musical, which is music smart. Body kinesthetic, which is body smart. Interpersonal, which is people smart. Intrapersonal is self smart. And naturalist, nature smart.